Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we have the 2020 C case to open up. I've just received it and I could not wait to get into it to show you guys what is in this 2020 C case. So let's crack it straight open. Smell those Hot Wheels. Smash that thumbs up if you like this video, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. So let's get straight into it. First three, we've got that heavy hitcher in Xpera Motors, got a Robo race car from Speed Blur, and we've got Total Disposal from the Hot Wheels Metro series. This is a really cool little car. It's gonna look so cool on the track. I hope it works well. It is a little bit high, might not fit in the booster properly, but it's so cool. Alright, then we've got the 67 Jeepster Commando. We've got a Skull Shaker, and we've got that Ford GT40, which is a carryover from the B case. Nice casting. We've got that Gruppo X24. We've got Rockin' Santa Sled. Pretty weird looking casting, that one. And we've got the 76 Greenwood Corvette. Look what we've got here. That 70s Ford Escort RS 1600 from the Baja Blazers series. Now this is also the Hot Wheels ID car. It would be the chase car in this case, but this is just the regular mainline. But that is such an awesome color on that orange with that chrome interior. Really nice. And this car I've been waiting for, the Volvo 850 Estate from the Hot Wheels Race Day series. My gosh, it's so cool. Look at it. Cannot wait to open it. And we've got that Porsche 917 LH. Ooh, what else? Okay, we've got another Total Disposal. We've got the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. That was in the C case. That is a really nice casting. Brand new for 2020. And we've got the 95 Mazda RX-7 in the Hot Wheels Turbo series. Cannot wait to get some recolors on this casting. Alright, we've got another Ford GT40. We've got that 2018 Lancer Evolution. This is going to be a really popular casting. Now it's not a JDM. When we look closely inside, it is a left-hand drive vehicle. So if it was a JDM car, it would be right-hand drive, but this is not for the Japanese domestic market. This is a US spec production car. And you can see it is a track star. So I'm looking forward to getting this one on the track. And a little bit of a weird one, the Bat Plane for the Batman series. Not sort of my favorite, but anyway, some people will like that one. Okay, another Ford GT40 and this 65 Ford Mustang Convertible in this baby sort of powdery blue color is beautiful. Look at it, and that white interior, man, that is awesome. Really like this one. And we've got a high-tech missile in the X-Racers. Ooh, look what this is. It's the 96 Porsche Carrera in black. Beautiful, look at it. Nice black interior, or is it a gray interior? Maybe a little bit gray, could be. But those clear windows, really nice. Got that Sword Warthog in the Hot Wheels Screen Time series from Halo. And we've got a Power Rocket. Another Total Disposal. That is 3 for the case. That's a lot. Head Starter. Yeah. And we've got another 65 Ford Mustang Convertible. Will not complain about a second one of those. We've got a second Volvo 850 Estate. We've got the Twin Mill Gen E. Cannot wait to get some recolors of this one. And we've got another 95 Mazda RX-7. We've got a second Porsche 917 LH. We've got that Hot Wheels armored truck. You remember I opened one of these already, and one of mine was an error. It had print on one side and the other side was blank. So I wonder what this one is like. And we've also got another 95 Mazda RX-7. All right, getting to the bottom of the top layer. We've got that roller toaster. Here's a track star, so that's pretty cool. We have a second bat plane. And we've got the Hyper Rocker. Not a very good track car at all. Did not fit through the boosters. Yeah, but pretty cool. All right, let's get into the second layer of this case. What do we got in there? All right. Top three. Oh, we've got a roller toaster again. We've got that 76 Greenwood Corvette, and we've got a Dodge Viper SRT10 ACR. I really want some recolors in this for the 2020 Hot Wheels Race Day Series. Recolors, please. Okay. Oh yeah, more that I really want. Not this one. Hot Wheels 450F. Yeah. I've got that custom 71 El Camino. But this one, that 8 crate in the Rod Squad. Beautiful. Nice chrome interior. Those red rimmed wheels there. Look at the artwork as well. So nice. Pretty cool. Okay. Got another heavy hitcher. Got a second 89 Porsche 944 Turbo, and we have a June It Up. Second Hyper Rocker. Got that Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sports Turismo. Really want some more recolors of this one too. And we've got the Grass Chomper. It's a Hot Wheels Ride-On. Can we see something special about this car? It's the mainline treasure hunt. So no super treasure hunt in this case yet, and now that we have the regular treasure hunt, I'm gonna guess that there is not a super, but this is pretty cool. The regular treasure hunt for this case, the Grass Chomper. Nice. All right, now we've got another Greenwood Corvette. We've got Pedal to Metal, and we've got another 8 crate, which is perfect. Ah, perfect. Look at this, look at this. We've got the Chrysler Pacifica. I've been waiting for this release because when we got it in the Hot Wheels Race Team Series, Hot Wheels 50th Race Team Series, I wasn't too sure about it in that blue color. I mean, I like that blue, but this here is beautiful in that maroon red color. Look at it, really nice. Cool car. And we've got that cool one again, and a second Chrysler Pacifica. Cool. So many cars. All right, the Dodge Viper SRT10 ACR. We have another Sword Warthog. And look at this. Roger Dodger in the Hot Wheels Art Car series. It's got the R on top there. That's pretty cool. It's a Roger Dodger with an R. I wonder what these Hot Wheels Art Cars are going to spell for 2020. But this one is pretty nice. Cannot wait to get it on the track. Artwork is pretty cool too. I like that one. The Hollinator. Got a Cruise Bruiser. And a Super Van from the Hot Wheels Art Car series with an A on top of there. This is a beautiful casting. Really, really like it. And I like the artwork they've put on it, that King of Hearts. I'm not sure the significance behind it, but it is pretty nice. Yes, I like this. Oh yeah, the 68 Chevy Nova. Really nice there with that camo artwork on the, look at it, it's pretty cool. We've got another Hot Wheels armored truck, and we have another 2008 Lancer Evolution. All right, getting to the bottom here. We've got another Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sports Turismo. We have the Rockin' Santa Sled again. And the Embosser. Not bad. I actually like this one. Probably over what's the other one? The Haulinator. I mean, they're both very similar sort of cars because they both sit another car on top, but I think the Embosser is probably a better transport vehicle in my opinion. Here we go. Oh, cool. Okay, so we've got another Embosser. We've got an RV there yet, carryover from the B case. And we have the 64 Chevy Impala from the tuned series. It's not really tuned that much. I mean, you can see the sort of, it's a little bit thicker at the back than you would expect from the regular Chevy Nova, but it is not bad at all. I think I like it. Let me know what you think in the comments below about this 64 Chevy Impala. It's pretty cool. Maybe it's the color, but it's really nice. Yes. Okay, bottom of the case. We've got the Hot Wheels Haulinator Hot Wheels Metro Series. Got another super van. I'm not going to complain about that. And we have the 71 El Camino. So there is so many cool cars in this 2020 C case. I'm going to pick a couple that probably stand out the most for me, and it would be the super van. I really like that super van. Cannot wait to get that one on the track. Definitely the Volvo 850 Estate. That is a highlight of this case for me. What else we've got? I think this 65 Ford Mustang Convertible is also probably one of my picks for the case, but there's something else that I like as well. Yes, the 8 Crate. Beautiful. Really nice casting. So that's probably 4 cars that really stand out to me in this case. I don't know if I can pick a favorite. Oh, what about this? The 96 Porsche Carrera. That's another car that was a real standout in this case. So, I mean, just so many cool cars in this case. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite from this 2020 C case. Maybe you can pick a couple because I've picked 5 cars that are sort of my favorites. So let me know in the comments below which are your favorites. Big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. All right, everyone, thanks for watching.